Welcome back to my channel. Today we have another first impressions try on palette review, and that is this one right here. Hikari, I think that's how you pronounce this. This is a K-beauty brand, so I don't really know much about it. K-beauty brands tend to be on the more natural, soft side, so this will be a more natural, soft palette. If you are new to my channel, my reviews consist of me putting as many eyeshadows as I possibly can on my eyeballs to see how I feel about the formula. It doesn't really give me any other information other than how that works. Okay, so this is the palette out of the box right there. Very beautiful. And inside it shows, okay, so there's 16 shadows, so I know that I'm not going to get 16 shades on my eyeballs, but I'm going to definitely try to get as many as possible. These are the colors. And now I'm going to go swatch them. Okay, so those are the colors swatched. And I can tell you they are definitely way more pigmented and shimmery than I expected. But yeah, no real thoughts or feelings yet, so let's go ahead and start applying. So the first color I think I'm going to go into is this color Precious right here, and I'm going to do all over the lid. Okay, so now I think that is on there. I am going to go with Coffee Bean, and then this color down here, which is Intense. It's actually called Intense, if you can see that. Okay, so now I think I am going to go in with, I think I'm going to go with a brown actually. The more I look at it, the more I think I want a brown, and I think that I want to go in with a matte first and then put on the shimmers, because I don't know how the shimmers are going to last all day. So the matte color I'm going to go with is Blink. Okay, so now I'm going to layer up some shimmers on top of that. Let me find a brush of choice. I think I'm going to go in, I think that's what I want, Girly, right here, and then I'm going to go in with Breeze. Okay, so now I feel like I need to do more to the creases and layering up, of course. I'm probably going to go in with this chocolate ice here and use that to give the outer upper part a little shimmer as well. Okay, so now I'm going to take this goldenrod color and kind of do the inner corners. I might go under the eye a little bit. Okay, so now I am going to go in with this color Legend under the eyes. Okay, so I feel like under the eyes is missing something, so I'm going to go with this Fiesta color just on the bottom outer part, just to darken it a little bit. Okay, shadow is on. We're moving into eyeliner. So for the bottom lid, I am using this ColourPop color. I don't know the name because I wore it off. And then for my top liner, I am going to do Private Society in this leading liner. liner is done. Moving on to mascara. For the bottom, I'm going with Color Pop in Brownie Points because I want it to be a little softer. And in the top, I am going with Benefit's Bad Gal Bang. There is the finished eyeshadow eye look, and let's go ahead and talk about the palette. So colors I was able to use, I used this one here, and this one here. I used this one, so that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I used 10, I think 10. Did I use spice? I don't know. Well, I for sure used 10 out of the 16, so I think that was a really good chunk of the colors. So that's a little bit more than half. I feel pretty pleased with myself on that one. So the colors themselves, the mattes were mattes, shimmers were shimmers. I can't complain about that. I didn't experience any fallout, none. See that? Nothing falling out now. The colors blended very well, they applied very well, they were very smooth and creamy. So I have to say I was actually really impressed by this because there's nothing I can complain about. Again, these are more on the natural daily wear side of things, but they're super pretty and super lovely. Go ahead and let me know what you think about this palette down below, and if you like this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video.